Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy Richie from Sweden and welcome back to a brand new episode. Now as you guys can read by the title guys, today I'll be showcasing 6 shirts that I must have for summer 18. If you guys have seen my previous video, I've been mentioning that I'm going to south of Italy. I'm actually recording this on Sunday, the 1st of July, and I'll probably have this video up on Tuesday something, I believe. But anyways, we are leaving on Tuesday, so if you guys are seeing this video right now, your boy's on the plane. I'm very stoked about this trip. I've never been in Italy before, so this is my first time. So the main reason I'm doing today's video is basically showing you guys, because I have a stigma around like you can't be fashionable during vacation, because normally when you go on vacation you go to these warmer countries. When it comes to like being fashionable, it's kind of hard because you normally just wear a white t-shirt and simple shorts. You still can't be fashionable during these like warmer, like tropical environments. So today's video I'll be showcasing like 5 different shirts that you more or less need in your wardrobe, especially when you're going away for vacation. And if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Richard Ortega. I cover men's fashion, not even men's fashion because loads of my clothes in my wardrobe are actually from the women's section. But anyways, if you're a woman as well, hello, and please do smash that like button because that gives me some type of feedback that you guys are really into my channel, and I do appreciate each and every one of you. And if you guys are actually wondering why my setup is a bit different today, it's because of my camera stand actually broke the other day. So I was actually about to put on the camera, but it actually fell off. So that's like the main reason I am filming from this like setup, and I'm actually on the floor right now. All of these shirts are actually from women's brands. So if someone ever told you that you can't find like fire shirts, bro, check the women's section. So anyways, I do have like 6 different shirts and I actually color coordinated them. And without talking too much guys, I will actually go into the first shirt, which is the white one. Let's go into the first shirt. It is white, so I do have to change the brightness right now because it will be overexposed. Here's the first shirt for you guys. It's actually from Kenzo. I actually bought it for a disgusting discount price. Like, look how beautiful it is. It's flowy, it's silky. The key thing you need to think about when you're going to a vacation, especially when you're going to like areas that will be mad hot, you need to have like breathable shirts. So that was like the main reason I actually got these ones. All of actually my shirts are actually very breathable. But anyways, this is actually from Kenzo. I will do some B-rolls later for you guys to show you like a bit more close-ups. I bought it in size 40. It is silky, it is very flowy, and as I said, I actually got it for a very disgusting price, $90, and the retail price was like $280. And one thing I really like about this shirt is that it's really cropped down here, which is really perfect because normally some shirts are very elongated. First shirt, Kenzo. Let's go into the next one. Now going into the next shirt, it's a way more cheaper shirt than the other one. This is actually from a women's clothing like store here in Sweden called Gina Tricot. It's like a very typical girl store here in Sweden. The main reason I actually copped this one was because of the material and for the fit as well, because it's very breathable. I'm not even sure if it's like 100% silk. It does have that same feature as the Kenzo shirt has, and like the V collar neck. Bought this one in a size 42, which would be equivalent to small going into medium maybe, because this one actually went for like $30. Do not be afraid of like wearing a women's shirt. Just go a size, even 2 sizes up, and you will be good. It did have some fake pockets like on the left and right chest, but I actually removed them myself, so it was way more cleaner in my personal opinion without the pockets. So this shirt actually came from Gina Tricot. Bought it for $30, size 42, and yeah. And the next shirt, guys, is actually from a fast fashion store as well. Believe it or not, when I saw this one for the first time, I thought it was like Versace shirt, but no, this is actually from H&M. Bought it for 100 kronas at the women's section as well. Believe it or not, but this one I actually had to go to the tailor with it. I bought it in a size 32 as well, but it was way too oversized. So I went to the tailor that I normally go to and had it tailored for me, so it fits me more than perfect right now. And the main reason I actually cut this one, of course, it was the material, but also like the red details on this shirt. It's not like completely white, it's like cream type of white, which I really like as well. And the red on the shirt really complements the whole theme of it. So I really thought it was some type of Dries Van Noten, or maybe even Givenchy, or maybe even like Versace. And once again, guys, you can't really go wrong wearing like a women's shirt. You guys have probably seen this shirt before on my channel. This is actually a shirt that I am not sure if I will take with me. In wearing cotton shirts in like warmer countries, it's nothing I would like recommend. Maybe I will take it with me just to have like a backup shirt. Going into the next shirt, guys, we do have this bad boy, and the brand is called Moss Copenhagen. So I do believe that the brand is from Denmark. This is actually a shirt I copped from ASOS. It was on sale, so it went for like $15. Like going for a shirt that is very silky, very like nice flowy type of material for $15, I won't hesitate. Look at the pants, bro. Come on! Of course you have to have the whole set. So having a striped shirt for me is very minimalistic, but at the same time a statement piece. Size medium. Let's go into the next shirt. Going into the last shirt, guys, we do have this one. Guys have been asking me, not even guys but girls as well, have been asking me for the past month or so where I actually got this shirt, and it's way too wavy. It's 100% silk, so it does fit perfect on my body as well. And it's actually from a Canadian brand called RW_20 on Instagram, and you won't like miss them. These guys do have like the coolest shirts on the market, if you ask me, and it actually went for $100 only. So when I saw that it went for $100, it was an instant cut for me. So the only minus, in my personal opinion, I would maybe went for the white one. The main reason I copped it is because of the faces, of course. Like, just look at the faces, they look so cool. For the past 2 to 3 weeks, I've been posting pics on my Instagram with this shirt on, and people been like literally DM me asking me where I copped it from, which I really do understand because it's really cool piece. It speaks for itself, so I do understand that. Unfortunately, guys, we do not have like small, medium, large, like typical sizes basically. They had like a free size, which is more or less like one size, and if you ask me, I would say that this shirt is medium. So if you guys are into a medium, then you can cop it. And of course, guys, for those that have been asking the most, I will link all the shirts, or I'll try to find all the links to the shirts and link them down in the description. And here's some B-rolls on how this shirt fits. So once again guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate support. Now all of these shirts, I will try to find the link to them and link them down in the description for you guys. So if you guys are interested in this Kenzo shirt, I will try to find the link to that shirt. Or if you guys are interested in this one from Yana Tekoa, I will try to find that one as well. And this one as well. It's like, look at the print, bro. Oh my gosh. Smash the subscribe button, because that will give me positive feedback that you guys are really into my channel and my content as well. While you guys are seeing this video, I'm probably in Italy right now, or maybe even on the plane on my way to Italy. I will also do like a video from Amalfi with my friends, of course. It's your boy Richie. I am signing out and I'm saying peace. Bow. Cheers.